The first step you need to take after your Apple account is locked is open iforgot.apple.com. You need to change your Apple account's password for it to function again. So we have two versions of this. So when you open iForgot, when you click on reset password, you're gonna see this window. On this window, you need to enter your email or phone number and then reCAPTCHA and continue for continuing. If you're entering your phone number, so obviously you have to factor on. But if you're entering your email, there's a chance maybe you don't have to factor on. So let's say you have to factor off. After entering your email, you're gonna get two options. You're either gonna get an email to your Apple account's primary inbox. So you're gonna open it and search for the email. It's literally the latest email that you got. And then there's a link. You can click on it and change your Apple account's password, and your account would be unlocked. But let's say you don't have access to your email address. Let's say it's an Apple account that was made with anonymous information, and it's a card Apple ID. You need to answer your security questions, which first it's gonna ask for your birthday on that specific Apple account, and then you're gonna answer two of the three questions, and then you can change your Apple account's password for it to be unlocked. But let's say you have two-factor on. That's a little more complex. After you enter your phone number, it's gonna ask for your email address. Or if you enter your email address, it's gonna ask for your phone number. And then it's gonna send a notification to your Apple devices. Either it's a Mac or iPhone, and you're gonna enter your Face ID, fingerprint, or device's password, and then you'll be able to change your Apple account's password. But if you don't have access to them, it's a bit complex, which is been told here. So if you don't have access to your devices, for more than 90% of the time, you have an Apple store in your country, not like mine, where I don't have access to Apple's customer service. I need to call them or iMessage them. But I think for you it would be simple. I hope I have been helpful. Bye bye.